Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel every week you will be getting a basic maths lesson. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So let us start today's lesson that is very important, that is volume. It is a very important physical quantity to be measured. In previous lessons, you have studied area is a physical quantity having two dimensions, lengthwise and breadthwise. And this volume is three-dimensional. That is, it is nothing but measure of space. The volume of an object is defined as measure of the space occupied by the object. So, we'll come to the unit of volume. You have studied that unit of area is square centimeter or square meter. The length is repeatedly multiplied 2 times. In the case of volume, you know that by the definition of volume or the concept of space, measure of space, lengthwise, breadthwise, and height-wise. So, length is in centimeter, breadth is in centimeter, height is in centimeter. So, repeated multiplication 3 times means what? It will be centimeter cube. Centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. And it is observed that when you measure liquids like water, milk, it is given in liter. You know what is liter? How it is connected with centimeter cube. Liter is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. You know milli is 1/1000. So 1000 milliliter or 1000 ml. In short, we are telling 1000 milliliter ml equal to 1 liter. So what is this ml? Milliliter. That 1 ml is nothing but 1 centimeter cube. So what does it means? If the measure of is of solid object, we will say centimeter cube. So how it is connected to the liquid object? 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. It means 1000 centimeter cube make 1 liter. Clear? So that is about the unit. Now here various three-dimensional figures are there. These three-dimensional figures are also called solid figures. But it is solid figures. And what will be the volume of each figure? The first one is called cuboid. Cuboid is also called rectangular parallelepiped because its faces are all rectangles. There are 6 faces. The example, rectangular box, fridge, cupboard, room, all are in shape of what? Cuboid. So each face is rectangle and the dimensions are the L, length, breadth and height. So its volume will be length into breadth into height. So length is, if length is in centimeter, breadth is in centimeter, height is in centimeter, centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, the unit is centimeter cube. So generally the opposite faces will be having same area. Correct? So this rectangle upper and lower face will have the same area. So what is the area of the lower face? L into B. So when you come to the question of volume, then into H, that is this area how many times? H time. Then it will be the volume of the cuboid. So that is the formula, L into B into H. Understood the unit? Centimeter cube. Now come to the next figure. It is also looking similar to the first figure, but what is the difference? This figure having L equal to B equal to H. Length, breadth and height are equal. Such solid figure is called cube. And unit of volume also centimeter cube. And formula also derived from the same. What you will get? Instead of B and H we can write L. L into L into L. What is L into L into L? L cube. So volume of a cube is L cube, where L is the side. In general we can say side cube. Understood how the formula derived? It is a special type of cuboid whose length is equal to, breadth is equal to height. If the side of the cube is L, then volume equal to L cube. Now next figure is cylinder. This also commonly seen in your day-to-day life, cylinder. The containers used for storing grains, oil, etc. Also drum, etc. are in the shape of cylinder. And the cylinder has how many faces? Upper face, lower face and side face. Only one side face. It is not divided like cuboid by the segments. There is no segment. It is called curved surface, curved face. So three faces are there. The upper and lower faces are circular. So when you come to the formula of volume of cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. How this formula is derived? You know, the circular face has the radius r. We know that area of the circle is pi r square. Both the upper and lower face has the same area. Clear? So the pi r square how many times? H time to measure the volume. Here pi r square, area of the circular face, lower face or upper face. Like that how many? H time. From that we got the result, volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Clear? Area of this lower face is also called base. Even here also. So general formula of the right solid figure. Right solid figure means what? Both the upper and lower face are having same area. Here also upper and lower face, then right solid figure. It is called right solid figure. So area of the base into height. Here also see area of the base is L into B into height. That will be the general formula for finding volume of a right solid figure. Clear? Now next one is cone. Cone also very familiar to you. Which object you can see in conical shape? Ice cream, birthday cap, etc. For that, how many faces are there? The lower face and the curved face. The lower face is circular. Clear? And no upper face. The upper face of the cylinder is pointed, then it becomes a cone. When the upper face of the cylinder is pointed. So only lower face, that is circular, and the curved. Here it is not uniform throughout the from lower to upper. So here when the volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1/3 the volume of the cylinder having same height and radius. Since here go on decreasing the area of the circle from bottom to top. Clear? So what is the formula? 1/3 pi r square h. So this is the volume of the cone. Next comes to the figure. This is nothing but sphere. Sphere has only one face, that is curved. There is no edge, there is no circular face. So only one radius of the sphere. Sphere, I need not introduce what is the object in the spherical shape. Ball. Right? So the formula for finding volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. And the next one is called hemisphere. When a sphere is cut into half, both part will be hemisphere. So this hemisphere contain a lower face, clear, and the volume will be half the volume of the sphere having same radius. So here 2 upon 3 pi r cube, volume of the hemisphere, half sphere. These are the some important solid figure you have to study and their volumes. Clear? So volume is the three-dimensional and it is nothing but the measure of the space occupied by the object, and the unit of volume is cubic centimeter or cubic meter or cubic kilometer, etc. That is all about volume I want to explain today. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward this video. Also subscribe my channel Mathline. Have a nice day. See you next week. Bye bye. Thank you.